What are you doing, Anthony? You gonna go get Daddy? Oh, reverse. Reverse. Look at him go. Go get him. Be careful by the door. He'll probably be right next to it. Go get him.
Right here. Right here. Out of control. You're out of control. You're crazy.
Watch his fingers.
Where you going? You can't go outside, Bubba.
Anthony, come here, Ant. Ant. Anthony. No, come over here by Mommy. Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got. Come on. Where you going? Where you going? Hey. Get back here. Get back here. Wait, where are you going, really? That's the bathroom. You can't get in the bathroom. You can't get in the bathroom. Come on, this way. Where's Daddy? No, you can't get frustrated. You can't get frustrated because you can't fit through there. Where? Where's Daddy? Where'd he go? Where's Daddy? Grandpa teach you that, huh?